Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, this week I have brought you your request, which is a no-sew DIY jersey knit, interlocking, stretch knit, they're all the same thing, face mask. Before we start, subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video if you have family and friends that need a face mask. Here is one of the face masks that we'll be doing today. This one's easy, it's just a weave going up. This may be for someone who's a little bit more advanced in sewing. You do have the option of hemming the bottom part or just leaving it plain. Doesn't matter, it's whether you have one or not. This part has 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 layers of protection, okay? So this is one mask. It has a stitch here so that you're able to pull down and put it around your neck and head. Or if you like, you can always put this down like this and put one part around your ears and put the other part around your neck. And remember, with this one, you do have the option of including the nose guard mask. And what I've done is I've put a hole at the side, top and bottom, so that you can feed the tie-in, so it will give you actually more support. This also has the nose piece in there, and that's through the seam allowance. So now that we've cut the sides, I want you guys to just remember something about jersey or interlock, depending on what you say. Cutting a hole this big is not needed. You actually only need to just do a little tit like that, because look how small that hole is, and thank you, and this can fit through it, right? So make your holes small, because a lot of stuff, it just stretches. Small hole, right? Small, teeny weeny hole. Even smaller than that if you can get it, okay? Be mindful with your scissors, because scissors, you tend to go all the way down, cut the holes, so make the holes really small, okay? And now we're gonna weave it through. I do have one of these, which I'm going to use just to make it easier. However, you can weave it through with a safety pin. And the reason why I'm not going to use the safety pin is because I don't know where my small little ones are, and I don't want to make a bigger hole. So remember, this is the hole. So if you put that through, you're just going to stretch your little small holes that you have. Okay. And we're going to just weave it in like a basket. I'm going to come here and put it through. Weave it in. Hey guys, you know what time it is? It is question time. I want to know, are you guys planning on doing the DIY face mask? If you are, put yes in the description box down below. And if you do, send me a picture on Facebook and let me see what you have created. Now, if you need help, you can also contact me there. I'm not the best at Facebook, so I'm just learning, and you and I can see how we can connect so I can walk you through the process. So I do look forward to seeing you guys on Facebook and finishing this side. But this is essentially the mask that is made from a sleeve. You do have the option of including the wire for the nose guard. Even if I have to hand stitch back and forth in the pink thread and hand stitch that, or because you have it sandwiched between two fabrics, you can put hot glue and glue it to the fabric, or fabric glue and glue it there, so that when you put it on, you have a really nice support over your nose. If you're going to do it the single way and just have single fabric, what I did was, for this portion, I just cut in the ribbon and inserted the wire inside there, and that worked well. If you are not going to double up your fabric, please be reminded that every mask should have a filter portion included in it. Whether it be a coffee filter, a paper towel that has been wetted and dried, or it going over the N95 or the surgical mask. have come to the end of the program, and I wanted to really thank you guys for taking the time to watch the video and sharing and subscribing. I do appreciate it. And also, I just pray these videos are helping you out with your family, your friends. If you don't know how to sew, picking up a piece of fabric and cutting the ears out for someone that you love will mean so much to them. Do it, and do it with confidence. Take care, guys. God bless you. I will be back with the best reviews that I like for the masks. I do have some that I think you guys will enjoy, especially those that know how to sew.